Hey friends, if you wish to change the background wallpaper in Opera, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's not difficult. All you need to do is search for Opera in the Windows search bar and open Opera. Now on the list on the left hand side, click on these three dots at the bottom left corner. Now scroll down and select settings from the menu and then search for wallpaper here. Now wallpapers are enabled. All you need to do is select a good wallpaper. Okay. And then click on add your wallpaper. If you want to a different wallpaper, like if I want this one, which is a picture that I clicked, I can simply click this one. Okay. So when you open it again, you'll notice that the wallpaper has become the default wallpaper for Opera. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.